Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and this is Daphne. I'm back. I took a break from filming videos, but I'm back and I know I'm gonna be late for Halloween looks, so anyways, I don't mind. So I just bought a bunch of Walmart makeup. Yep, this is from Walmart, so I bought a bunch of that and we'll see if I can create a Halloween look from this. So I only spent, I think, less than 20 bucks for all of this. It's like, ooh, I want to try it, like this ones. So I got like face makeup for 98 cents each. And I got glow in the dark. I also got nails. And then of course vampire blood. This is only for $1.98. And of course some like brush in case I need it. Then I also bought like fantasy makeup products from Wet n Wild. So these are like just $1.98 or something. So we got that. Yeah, I bought two just in case it won't fit my face. And of course a wig. This wig is only like, I think $5.94. So let's see if I can create a makeup look from these products. So if you want to know, just keep on watching. Put on some moisturizer. I think we're gonna need a primer for this. Hold on. Alright, so I'm gonna use a primer because we're using face makeup and I have textured skin, so I want to make sure that it's gonna stick onto my face. I'm okay with that. Let's put more so that in case the face makeup, you know, makes me allergy. Though I would suggest you have to test it on your skin first before applying on your face, but yeah, I'm a reckless bitch. So I'm still gonna put it on. I think I want to use this glow in the dark face makeup, but let's first try the white makeup, shall we? Oh, I also bought a pink one. I think I'm gonna do like a pink skull makeup. Let's see. Well, I'm gonna paint my whole face with this face makeup. For the brows, I think I'm gonna let it be as it is. And yeah, but I have to conceal first. I have to conceal my under eyes. Put some face makeup. So I'm not really like expert with like using face makeup. So this is my first time really. So far, this is like the white paint. So we'll see. Good luck. I'm gonna try putting on this one for my face. A small sponge, and yeah, I have my mirror right here, and let's see.
And then I'm also going to be doing my brows with the same pink paint or pink face makeup. I told you, I'm going to try to use all the makeup that I bought from Walmart and see if we can make a whole makeup look from this one. It's hard because we already have the, you know, face makeup, so it's like we can't mess anything up. It's like it's hard to mess up. Like that's my dilemma here, but so far so good. Like don't worry guys, if we messed up then we're gonna fix it. We're gonna try to fix it at least. Like, I'm not really 100% like good at Halloween makeup, but we'll try our best. It's like, it's just makeup. It's gonna come off. See that? And then, since our brows is black, we're gonna use a disposable brow and then dip it onto the pink. And then just do it like a brow mascara. So that we can tint the brows pink. This is black, so. And it's gonna look better.
Yep, and I'm just gonna do the other brow off cam. So there you go, guys. My brows are done. And then I just wiped off the face makeup on my eyes because it's already starting to crease. So I just applied my white concealer from NYX. And then the palette that I'm gonna use is the Amrezi palette. I'm trying to be like a Barbie skull. That's what I think that I'm gonna be doing. So I just, just apply that as my primer. And I'm not gonna talk through this because when I do my eyeshadow, I'm really serious. So just like watch. Alright guys, so just watch.
Everybody's waiting for the next surprise. Skeleton Jack might catch you in the back and scream like a banshee, make you jump out of your skin. This is Halloween, everybody scream. Please make way for a very special time. All-Man Jack is king of the pumpkin patch. Everyone hail to the pumpkin king. Now this is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween.
So yep, already did my cut crease, and then I have the Fantasy Maker, as it says here, from Wet n Wild, and I believe this is also $1. So we'll see. I put it on my waterline.
Yep, definitely the texture of the face makeup is the same as this one, but I think I got blind for a second there. So yeah, so our eye makeup is done, and then let's finish this makeup that we have here. Like, I really don't know what I'm doing right now, so
Then connect it to our lips. There. I got it! And I don't know if it's gonna go the same route as the other side, so let's not breathe Really? You decided to fail? Okay, I'm having a hard time on this other side though. It's like you don't want to cooperate. Yep, and then connect it to our, sorry. Then connect it to our, you know, skull right here, and then just retouch the teeth. We're done. I don't want to mess it up, so we're just gonna stop right here. Okay. And then probably, yeah, what we're gonna do is like have a contour of the pink paint. Or what I can do is like do a powder or a blush, and then that's gonna be our like contour for the face. But this one, I'm fine with this. So yeah. So we're gonna stop right here. Yeah. And then go back to like the lighter shade and then just like blend. Don't be too like, yeah. And just like contour here. I just blush. Corpse bride, really. Yeah, that's what I think I look like. Oh wow. So now we're gonna put our lashes and put on our wig, and I'll be...
So guys, I just spoke my freaking eye and I'm crying.
Alright guys, so we're back, and of course I already put my lashes on and then retouched some of my makeup, and then we're gonna put our wig. This is the only one that we got, so let's see. It has bangs, which is good because it's like, it's just gonna cover, you know. Damn, it's stiff. Okay. Come on. Woo! Yeah, it's just a synthetic wig. And I already have my wig cap. So let's see, girl. Cooperate with me, please. Like, let's just brush the bangs. Yeah, it's just a synthetic wig. Just brush it, brush, to smoothen it out. Got my wig here. Okay. Alright, so where is the... Like that, where... Okay. Okay, alright, I see you. Okay, let's just fix this. Don't worry, we can fix this. Okay. Like, where is... Okay, is this the front? This is the front. I guess we can cooperate. I want to make this work. Alright! Look pretty. My perfectionist asking just can't stop looking. Okay, here's the bang. What do you think? They look good. I should put this down or something. Like that. Oh, I'm gonna change my top.
Do another look just by using the Walmart makeup. So yeah, what do you think, guys? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, you know, funny makeup videos. Yeah, and that is it. Thank you guys. See you again and happy Halloween.
We call home, everyone hail to the pumpkin song. In this town, don't we love it now? Everybody's waiting for the next surprise. Skeleton Jack